Welcome on Genius Zone classes. Next question. Chapter rational number. Rationalize the denominators of the following. कहने का अर्थ है हर का प्रमेयकरण कीजिए. Do the rationalize the denominators one upon root 7 multiply root 7 because according to question rationalize the denominators if 1 upon root 7 is the denominator is root 7 multiply numerator and denominator by root 7 equal root 7 ones are root 7 and root 7 multiply root 7 equal root 7 upon 7 is the answer. Thank you.